Hello students and welcome to my channel Maths Hub. So in the previous video, I talked about the conditions on system of equations when we categorize the system of equations into non-homogeneous and homogeneous system of equations. So today in this video, I'll tell you how to get unique solutions from a non-homogeneous system of equations. So we know that what is the condition for a unique solution or for consistency, that rank of A augmented B and rank of A should always be equal. And to have a unique solution, the ranks must be equal to the number of unknown variables. So let us try to discuss the consistency of the system of equations. So whenever you are solving a system of equations, the first step is to convert the given system of equations in a matrix form. So when we convert this given system of equations in the form of a matrix, so we can write the matrix as Ax equal to B. So here your entries will become, the first row will become 3, 1, 2. Then we have 2, 3, minus 3, minus 1. Then we have 1, 2 and 1. The system of unknowns are x, y, z. And on the right hand side we have the system, the right hand side vector as 3, minus 3 and 4, right? So the next step is to write the matrix in the form of A augmented B. So we need to put the two matrices together with the separation. So we will write 3, 1, 2, then we'll write 2 minus 3 minus 1, then we'll write 1, 2, 1, and then we'll put a dash or a dotted line and we can write the right hand side vector as 3 minus 3 and 4, right? So now after doing this step, we have to reduce this matrix to an echelon form to get the rank of this matrix, right? So when we convert this into a row echelon form, so this is how we have written it into a augmented matrix. And now when I convert this into an echelon form, I can see that I've interchanged first row and the third row because I have a leading one here. So after interchanging, we get this matrix. And then we have applied R2 is R2 minus 2R1 and R3 is R3 minus 3R1. This will help me to convert these elements to 0. So after converting them, so this element will also become 0, right? After converting them, we'll get this matrix, and then what we have done, we can convert this matrix R3 with this matrix, this entry equal to 0 by putting R3 is R3 minus 5 by 7 times R2, right? So we are multiplying this row with 1 by 7, then we are multiplying this with 5. So it will become 0 here, right? So when we do these changes, we get the matrix as this. And then at this stage, what we can understand, we can convert the rank of A augmented D from here. So there are 3 non-zero rows. So array of A augmented D is 3. And what is rank of A in this case? You can see that if I hide the right hand side vector, we again get 3 non-zero rows because this entry is a non-zero one. So this is also 3. So we can say that rank of A augmented D is equal to rank of A. And what it is equal to, how many unknowns we had to find out in this problem? We had to find out 3, x, y, z. So it is same as 3. So it is definitely going to have a unique solution. Now, what is the solution going to be? Now, at this reduced stage, let us convert it back into the matrix. So we have 1, 2, 1. Then we have 0, minus 7, minus 3. Then we have 0, 0, 8 by 7. This multiplied with x, y, z is equal to the right hand side vector, that is 4, minus 11 and minus 8 by 7, right? So when we develop the equations, let us start from the last equation. 0 into x plus 0 into y plus, so we get 8 by 7 into z is equal to minus 8 by 7. So this implies that z is equal to minus 1, right? We go back to the second last equation. 0 into x, let me change the color of the pen. 0 into x plus minus 7 into y minus 3 into z is equal to minus 11. So z is minus 1, so this will become plus 3. This goes that side and it will become minus 7y is equal to minus 14. So y will turn out to be 2. And finally, we can go back to the first equation and we can frame x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. So put in the values, we'll get x plus 2 into 2 is 4, z is minus 1, this is 4, so x will turn out to be, right? So z is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2, and x is equal to 1 will become our unique solution, right? So I hope you understood the solution, right? Okay, next. Let's move on to another question. You have to discuss the consistency for the system of equation. So for consistency again, you have to convert this matrix into a matrix form. And from there, we will develop the augmented matrix, right? So when we develop the augmented matrix, so here I've written it in another way. So you can see that 1 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 4 minus 5 into x, y, z is 3, 5 and minus 13, right? So instead of writing it in the augmented form, you can also carry the operations like this in the same form, right? So we have converted this matrix into a row echelon form, keeping in mind that whatever operations we are applying on this matrix, the same operation is also being applied here. So like this, we have converted these two entries into 0. So we have applied R2 is R2 minus R1 and R3 is R3 minus 3R1. So we get these two entries 0. And after that, we have to convert this element 0. So what have we done? We have applied R3 is R3 plus 1 by 3 times R2. So we get this entry also 0. So at this stage, you can see that if I visualize it in the form of an A augmented B matrix, I can see that the rank of A augmented D is 3 and same rank of A is also equal to 3. So rank of A augmented D is same as rank of A and it is same as the number of unknowns. So this will definitely lead to a unique solution, right? And then how to get the solution? We can start making the equations from the last one. So the first equation is minus 32 by 3z is equal to minus 64 by 3, which will give you the value of z equal to 2. Then we go back to the second last equation, we get 3y plus z is equal to 2. If z is 2, so 3y is 0. So this will become y equal to 0. And when y is equal to 0, put it back in the first equation. We have x minus y plus 2z is equal to 3. So y is 0, z is equal to 2. So that will lead to x is equal to minus 1, right? So this leads to a unique solution, which will be x is minus 1, y is 0, and z is equal to 2, right? So now to try these problems, I've given you two problems. So the answers are also given. So in case you find any difficulty, put it in the comment section. So if you do like the video, do hit the like button. And those of you who have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and definitely share the video with the others who need them. So believe in yourself and you will be able to succeed. Thank you so much.